The Changing Perspectives Educator Portal offers an affordable, customizable subscription-based solution that provides pre-K through 12 educators with standards-aligned curriculum resources to help students gain knowledge and experience about disabilities. Why disability awareness? Awareness is the foundation for empathy. In the U.S., 15% of students live with a disability. For students who live with a disability, the opportunity to learn about themselves helps them become strong self-advocates. For students who do not live with a disability, gaining awareness of disabilities empowers them to be inclusive changemakers for tomorrow. Designed by educators for educators, our curriculum provides a collection of learning resources aligned with Common Core standards and organized within 8 disability categories to parallel IDEA and represent visible and invisible disabilities. Subscribers will have access to a variety of developmentally appropriate curriculum resources, including but not limited to personal reflections, collaborative activities, book and video explorations, guided discussions, art-based projects, and more. Implementation guides are also readily available to support effective educator teaching of disability awareness. With an annual subscription to our Educator Portal, subscribers can access resources anywhere, anytime, with our easy-to-navigate online platform. Tailor lessons to the specific needs of students with our customizable curriculum. Plan and share lessons, as well as assess student performance with the portal's built-in features. Empower families through competency-focused family newsletters. Engage Spanish-speaking students and families with bilingual materials. Join a community of educators who are already using the Changing Perspectives Educator Portal to transform how they help students develop awareness and empathy. Subscribe today